Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to open an investment account on your Charles Schwab. Hey guys, let me guide you on how to open an account on your Schwab. So if you want to open a Schwab account, then here's how to do it. So, open an account in Schwab is actually free with cost a $0 minimum and zero online stock or ETF commission. So you want to press this open an account section right here. Press it, and then you have a popular investment account type. So each and every one of this has a lot of definition and its own meaning. So if you want an individual brokerage account, it is a standard for investing. If you want the joint brokerage, it is for two people, just like from the word joint. If you want a retirement account, so it is actually for retirement savings, and custodial is for minors. So let's say, for example, you want this one. So you want to type in that or click that and complete the application process. So you have like a little description of what this account type is it, and then you just want to have to get started. But if you have a referral code from others, then you want to enter it from here. Next is review and submit the prompts that you will be guided to, and then check all if your information is all correct. So you'll receive an email confirmation. Most account approved within minutes, but some may take 1 to 2 business days. And then after opening your account and confirming, you wanna fund your account. So once approved, add money by via bank transfer, wire transfer, check deposit, like mobile app or email, and transfer from another brokerage or the ACAT. And that is all on how to open a Charles Schwab investment account this year.